Connected your digital camera or phone and seeing a DCIM folder full of images? This is the standard storage folder used across digital cameras for storing photos. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how digital camera images folders function. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective DCIM file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. DCIM is not a file but a standardized directory name found on digital cameras, smartphones, and tablets for storing photos and videos. A user searching for this is almost always trying to locate their media files on a connected device. It is the root folder for all user-captured images and videos. The DCIM standard is part of the DCF Design Rule for Camera File System specification, created to ensure interoperability. It mandates a specific folder hierarchy and file naming convention, allowing any compliant software or device to reliably locate and parse media, ensuring a consistent user experience across platforms. Microsoft Corporation defined Windows File Explorer as the main handler for DCIM files. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows treats them as foundational, so any changes should be handled only with deep system knowledge. We'll start by checking the obvious candidates. Right-click your DCIM file and select Open With. If Windows File Explorer is installed, use that. If not, choose another program. A simple test sequence will get results. When your DCIM file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, browsing in File Explorer. Connect your camera or memory card to the computer and access the DCIM folder through File Explorer on Windows or Finder on macOS. Navigate into the numbered subdirectories to find photo and video files. Copy files to your computer for permanent storage, editing, and backup, leaving the original SD card structure intact for camera reuse. Next, importing with photo software. Use photo management software like Adobe Lightroom. Photos from macOS or Windows Photos to import from DCIM folders. The application handles the standard structure, automatically importing images with metadata preservation and organizing into your photo library. Configure import settings for renaming destination folders and editing operations during import. Finally, cleaning camera storage. After successful import, format the SD card or camera storage to clear the DCIM folder for new photos. Use the camera's format function rather than deleting files manually to ensure proper file system reset. This maintains optimal performance and prevents data corruption issues from accumulated file system fragmentation over extensive use. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.